Welcome to another video, another learning video. In today's video, we will see about a very important and a very useful topic, that is least common multiple, or you can say lowest common multiple. But before we go deep down into this topic, one should know what are multiples. So multiple are nothing but when one particular number gets multiplied with another number, another integer. So you get the multiples of that particular number. Let's just say if I want to know multiple of 2. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll multiply 2 with 1, then I'll multiply 2 with 2, I'll multiply 2 with 3. I will multiply 2 with all the numbers. So I will get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. So I'll get multiples of 2. Then now suppose if I want to know multiples of 5, so I will write 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. So they are just simply nothing but the tables. Okay, we know tables. Okay, so multiples are nothing but the uh, when one particular number gets multiplied with all the other numbers to get the resultant product also, you can say multiple is nothing but the products. Okay, so this will be your answer. Okay, now let's just say if someone gives you two numbers, and they'll tell you, they can give you two numbers also, they can give you three numbers also, and they'll tell you to find the least common multiples of both, or lowest common multiples of both. So how can you find it out? So first thing, you should know what are the multiples. So multiples are this, nothing but just table. And now let's deep down into our actual topic, that is the lowest common multiple. So lowest common multiple is nothing but, in a simple word, is the smallest possible number that can be divisible by both the numbers. Okay, so we'll see with the help of examples how you can get to know the LCM. But how can you find out what is a procedure, what is a method of finding the LCM? Okay, so there are different ways, different methods you can use to find the multiples of any two particular number or more than two numbers. So first method we are having is a listing method. Okay, here what you do, you list down all the possible multiples of both the numbers, and then with the help of that you get the LCM of both the numbers. Then next we are having is a LCM by prime factorization method. Over here you use the prime numbers, only prime numbers, to get the LCM of two or more particular numbers. Then the last one we have with us is using a division method, the way we divide particular number. So you can use a division method, or you can say long division method, to get the LCM of two numbers or more than two numbers. So we'll see one by one each method, how you can get the answers to those questions. Okay, so first we will see by LCM by listing method. Okay, now suppose I have a question, what is the LCM of 6 and 8? Okay, so what I will do over here, I will first write multiples of 6, all the multiples of 6. Okay, now what are these? 6, 12, okay, and so on. There are more. Then next I will write multiples of 8. As soon as you get the first multiples, you can stop over there. There is no need to write all the multiples. Okay, as soon as you get the commons, you can stop over there. Okay, now here I got my commons. So now here multiples of 6 are this, and multiples of 8 are this. Okay, I'll write more over here for easy understanding. And here also I'll write more. Okay, now what I did, I have listed down the multiples of 6, I have listed down the multiples of 8. Now I will write the common multiples of both. Common of 6 and 8. Now common of 6 and 8, I have here 24 and here 24, then here 48 and here 48. So I will write 24 and 48. More are there, but we are just writing just 24 and 48. Okay. Now you have to write the least common one. Least common of 6 and 8, that is the smallest of all commons. Now the smallest of all common is 24, so this will be my answer. Okay, now this method, listing method, is like it's easy. I would not say it's a difficult one, it's easy, but it's a lengthy method. So many, like, we usually prefer to use this method because it takes time. It's very time consuming to list down all the multiples of both the numbers, if you have two numbers or three numbers, and then take out the commons and then write your final answer. So it takes time. Okay, and not everybody is familiar with the with multiples. So what so most of the students, they don't prefer this method because it's very time consuming. So if anybody is interested, they can for sure use this method, but you have to be then very particular with writing the multiples, correct multiples. Okay, so how can you use this method? First, you'll write multiples of all the multiples of 6, at least write till you get 2 or 3 multiples, common multiples with you. Then you will write multiples of 8. Okay, and then you will write the common of both the multiples which are common in 6 also and 8 also. So I will write 6 and 8 both common multiples, and now from these common multiples you will list down the least common of both. Now the least common of both is 24, so 24 will be my answer. Now 24 is divisible by 6 also, and 24 is divisible by 8 also. So if somebody will ask me what is the least of LCM of 6 and 8, so my answer should be 24. Okay, this is a listing method. Now let's move on to the next. Let's see another method, second method. So we have second method is prime factorization method. So let's see question, calculate the LCM of 18 and 24. So what I will do, I will first write the prime factors of 18. So I will split 18. So 6 3s are 18. You can write 3 6s are also, 3 first, 6 later on. Then 2 9s are 18. You can use that also. Now I got my first prime number, so I will circle it. Now 6 again I can split 2 3s are. So you have to split the number till you get all its prime factors. Okay. So now I got all my prime factors. Now next I have 24. Now I have to split 24. So I can split 6 4s are 24. Now again I can split this 6 as 2 3s are 6. Now I got both as prime, so I will circle them. And now this 4, so 2 2s are 4 and they both are prime numbers. So now I will circle them. Okay. Now I will write factors of 18. 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 into 3 into 3. Now I will write factors of 24. So I got 3 times 2 and then 1 3. Okay. Now you will write common of both. So common is, first you'll write common of both. 2 2, then 3 3. So it's 2 into 3. Okay. And then after this you will write uncommon one. Uncommons are 3 and 2 times 2. So I am writing like this way. Okay. Now next one, you will just multiply. LCM will be, you will just multiply. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are 72. So this will be my answer. Okay, very easy. Just write the uh, prime factors of both the numbers and then take out the common and then multiply commons with uncommon numbers and then you get your LCM. Now next and the last method we have with us is using a division method, or you can say long division method. Okay, so now let's see. I have number, I have to calculate multiples of common multiples of 18 and 24. So what I'm doing, I'm taking both the numbers together and then I am dividing it. Okay, now 18 and 24, they both comes in 3's table. I will use prime numbers over here. So 3, only prime numbers. 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 3 8s are 24. Okay, now 6 and 8, they comes in 2's table. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 12. Okay, now this 3 is not divisible like with 3 only, but this 4 I can divide. So 3 I will write as it is. 2 2s are 4. Now this side also I got all my commons, this side also like all prime numbers, and this side also all prime numbers. So now next what I will do, I will simply write them all and I will multiply 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. So 3 times 2 and into 3 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72. This will be my answer. So these are the three methods which you can use for finding the LCM of any two or more than two numbers. I hope you have enjoyed today's learning. Thank you. If you have any query, do comment down below in the comment section. Thank you so much.